Variation means differences.
What do you notice about this mom and her puppy? I bet you notice that they look very similar. Their fur and eyes are the same color, and they have the same floppy ears. Human kids usually look like their parents too. Parents and children have similar traits, or characteristics, because parents pass traits down to their children through genes, which are the sections of information that make up DNA. DNA is like a body's master plan, and genes are the individual instructions for building each piece. The passing down of traits in the form of genes from parents to their children is called heredity. Every living thing has a DNA master plan that they inherit from their mom and dad. I bet you're wondering why, if living things inherit their genes from their parents, they don't look exactly like their parents. Or maybe you're curious why siblings look different if they get their genes from the same parents. The answer to these questions is variation. Variation is the difference in genes between individuals or groups of individuals. Let's see how variation happens.
Remember, variation means differences in individuals.
All genes come in pairs, just like shoes. But unlike shoes, each gene in a pair can be different. One might be a sneaker, while the other is a high heel.
Variation in shoes means differences in shoes.
Your mom and dad each have 2 genes for every trait, but they each only passed one on to you to make up your set of 2. It's gene math. 1 from mom plus 1 from dad equals 2 for you. My friend Sam has green eyes, but his brother Bill has blue eyes. How did that happen? Well, their mom and dad each have 2 genes for the trait of eye color. One of the genes has the instructions for blue eyes, and the other has the instructions for green eyes. Sam's mom and dad both happened to pass down their green eye gene to Sam, but their blue eye gene to Bill. Just like that, you have variation between the brothers. Mutations, which are random changes in the instructions genes carry, also create variation, since genes are like recipes for body parts.
Mutations can be good or bad.
Changing the instructions can lead to recipes for new and different traits. A mutation adds instant variety to an individual's genes. Some mutations can be passed on to an individual's children, while some cannot. A living thing's environment can also lead to variation by making some genes more popular than others. Imagine a population of beautiful orange butterflies that live in a field full of orange flowers. Some of the butterflies are bright orange, and others are light orange. The parent butterflies pass on their genes for bright or light orange wings to their children. What would happen if some of these butterflies moved to a field with white flowers? The bright orange butterflies would be very easy to see in the field of white flowers, and hungry birds would be able to find them and eat them for supper. But the light orange butterflies would blend in better and be harder to see. These light-colored butterflies would survive longer and pass on their genes for light orange wings. Soon, the butterfly group that moved to the new field would have more individuals with light-colored genes than the butterflies in the field with bright orange wings. This difference in genes between the groups is a result of their environments causing variation.
The difference in color is a variation. In this example, the different color depends if the butterfly lives or dies.
Through heredity, parents pass down genes that determine all of a living thing's traits. Variation, or difference in genes between individuals or groups of individuals, is caused by a few different things. 1. Differences in the genes passed down by parents. 2. Mutations, which are random changes in the instructions genes carry. 3. A living thing's environment.